So let's try to make a 3x3 table. So I'll start another cell here. Of course, you always have to start with HTML with the backticks. Give yourself some space to type. And the opening and closing tag for a table is table. Pretty easy. You have to put lots of stuff inside, so we'll stack the tags like that. And then the next thing to think about is a table row. And to tag that, you just use tr. And why don't we try to fill out this first row, and then we'll do the other rows after that. So inside a row, so I usually take the row as well and stack those tags. And then inside, you're going to put the actual data or the columns that row contains. So if it's the header, if it's the column names, you can use th as the tag. And so let's say we're going to have 3 columns in our table. I could just copy, maybe I'll give myself some space here, like that. So we've got a row, and then we've got the first column heading, the second column heading, and the third column heading. Okay. So let's see, why don't we go ahead and fill that in. So let's make a superhero table, and we'll go with the name of the superhero. So that's what's going to be in the first column, the secret identity of the superhero, and how about their affiliation? Okay, so let's see what that looks like. So there you go. You've got your column headers there. Okay, so now we could copy that and put the next row in. In this case, though, you can use TD because these are not headers. So let's just make all of these TD. And you can put your first row's worth of information there. So we'll go Batman, Bruce Wayne, and he is DC. Okay? Now let's put 2 more rows in. And I like to keep this organized like that. Try another one. Okay, that looks good. So this row can be Superman, I guess. Superman. Clark Kent. He's DC. And then we can have Hulk. He's Bruce Banner. Marvel. Okay, so there you go. There's the table. Inside the table, you've got the rows. Inside the rows, you have the columns. And here's what it looks like. Nice table. So I am going to do a little bit with style and how to style HTML elements, so we can return to tables and I can show you some more things you can do. But for right now, that's totally fine. All right. Okay, so we've got headers, paragraphs, lists, anchors, and tables. So maybe we could try to put sort of a fictional report together so that you can see what it would look like on observable notebooks. All right, so we'll do that next.